Good evening, traders and traders. Y'all know dreycosting back to you with another bang. Alright, so yesterday evening we did drop in the video, but if you remember that we dropped a video in the morning, in the early morning, right? And the reason why we did drop in the video in the evening is that the markup is the same. So anytime you don't see a drop of video, it's one out of two things. We got some family thing dealing with, or the markup is the same, right? So majority of the time, it's the latter, all right? So I was still in this trade, all right? So I held it from Monday, actually entered Sunday night, right? So from Sunday, entered from Sunday night, and I held it all the way to Tuesday, right? So the rest are Tuesday, so for all the trades. So I know most of y'all probably like seeing this come down. If y'all took the trade with me, y'all see this coming down and you jump out and all of that stuff, but I mean, you just have to have confidence in your setup, right? So I know that GJ had created a higher low here. So once my stop loss was here, right, below that higher low, I'm not really worrying about any pullback or anything like that. And I said to you that GJ love to come back to break even, right? GJ love to come back to break even. That's why I don't move my stop loss. And once I know that I have my stop loss around the supply and demand areas, I know that I should be Gucci. All right. So the first move that I caught from last week was here, this massive push up. I don't know if you remember that move that I caught somewhere around here. It ran for about 200 odd pips. I had my challenges. I'm trying to pass that. I could have passed the challenges from about 120 pips, jump out of the trade and all of that. I came here. When I actually hit here, I took off my position off the table before it retraced, and you know, making me not have to extend my take profit because after position alone I have, right? So that is just, it's just really frustrating me a lot, and it's just something that I need to cut out, right? Stop jumping out of the trade when I'm in profit. I stop putting the position, because the reason why I'm doing that is because my entry wasn't so bad, was kind of not all that good back in the days. So I just have that mentality, but I need to cut out that mentality and know that, and say, Dre, you know, I'm on a whole different level right now where my entries are extremely sharp, where I hardly lose trades. So there's no need for me to exit the trades early and just leave market structure to play. So if I had to exit this trade, or I had to cut this in half, I would have passed the fund account here. And it's just really frustrating me right now. Like, let me see if I can go back to some of them up. Frustrating me. So right here I have funding next. These are my lead firm that I'm working with right now. So funding next and funding frontier. I'm gonna tell you why I work with it, right? I have other platform that I'm working with, and other that I'm gonna work with, like TFT, and it's a list. You know what I mean? I'm gonna send out the list to you guys, right? But we have to keep a balanced portfolio. But the main accounts are with funding next and funding frontier. And the reason why is because they have a balance-based drawdown. They don't really have an equity-based drawdown. Like if I go 5% down in equity, they lose the account, and the trade don't even touch a stop loss. So a person like me now who like to swing trade, old trade for like 3-4 days, a week or two, I don't have to worry about it with funding next, because it's balance-based drawdown. So that is why they are my lead account. So I need 1200 to pass this phase one, and it's just been really like ticking me off, right? So now I'm practically just down roughly about 1%, somewhere around there, to pass this phase. So hopefully I can pass that. I'm not gonna rush it. If I don't see any setup for this week, I'll probably wait till next week. So over here, funding frontier, same thing. We have, I need 7.5% is a target, right? So if you see right here, I just need just a little bit more. 750 is the target level. I'm at 707. You know what I mean? So it's really ticking me off, because what happened with the GJ was that it just came here and stuck, and I had the tape off, right? See there? That now alarm would have said, oh, bam, I passed upon the account and came here, reject, messing around. I said, here, let me just take it, call it a day. The reason why I came out is because we have CPI tomorrow at pre-London. I didn't want to be in the trade playing around knowing that CPI is coming up. So I'm just going to chill. Probably wait till it reaches this supply level, then I'll take a trade, come down, or you know what I mean? I don't know, but I'm just chilling right now. So these are the accounts that I'm trying to push through right now. small. So what we're going to do, as I said, last year I was trading no fund account, so that's working on the skill set. So we have to start from scratch. So we're starting from the small ones, try to get some pay from that, and then we're going to use those small accounts, payouts now, to buy larger accounts like the 200 and 300k. And as I said, I'm going to document and take you all through the journey with me each and every day, right? So this is my account where I'm not seeing this. I want to ensure that you see my name. Okay, so right here, say Andre Leslie. All right, you know that's the name, right? A lot of GJ trade, pick up small losses thereabout, but we Gucci same way, right? We Gucci same way. We're doing good. All right, so 9 trade, win rate 55%. Not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. So let's just take it one day at a time, you know what I mean, and just see if we can pass these accounts and just get it out of the way, you know what I mean. So just taking it one day at a time. All right, so back to the market. Seeing it pushing up right now, but I really don't care, you know what I mean. I'll catch back another trade to get to that 0.5%. So where are we now? So I said to you, buys above 185,500 and the one sells below here, but you cannot take, we could take a sell here just like that, right? All right, let's go to the 30. Could just jump up and take a sell like that. I'm gonna explain to you why. Initially, this was the move. Initially, we had the higher low created, and I had to send out a video and said to that I realized option structure, and we had a demand level here, right? So I sent out that video correcting that. So here would have now been kind of invalid, I should say. This play right here. So the only other play we'll be looking at is buys above 185,500, right? So bam, if you go to like the 15, all right, bam, at the 15 right here, you'll see that if you're smart enough or like paying attention, like bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure right here, bam, trade could be taken here, stop loss below here, right? So we have the closure here, and then we could take it on the bullish break here, going up with stop loss below here, right? Or you could wait on the closure here, bam, stop loss below here, entry here. Any way you take it, you could have got either from here as a 45-pip move, or if you take it on the buys above, bearish candle closure, then the bullish candle push, right? Bam, nice move nonetheless, right? So what are we looking at now? I am not going to trade tomorrow, right? So I'm not going to trade tomorrow because tomorrow is CPI, and then we have another major news coming out, so I'm just going to chill, right? And just probably wait on structure to form again. But for you guys, it's just simple. It's all dependent on what you want to do. So you can just, I would suggest if you want to trade tomorrow, just wait after the news, about 15 minutes after the news in pre-London. Wait for some form of pullback here, right? Allow support to form. Bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, and so on, and to continue up, right? However, what's the case if CPI want to push down the market, right? What's the case you want to push down the market? Then what you're going to do is that this low that I identified on the 8.4, right? So let me mark off this level. Start 184,691, this low right here, 184,691. Allow this low to break, right? Retest, form resistance, bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, I should say, bearish candle closure, wicks at the top, and then you're going to look to continue down to here, right? Because that now would be a breaker structure of the overall structure. So if it's a case that CPI does that, you have to just probably wait, you have to push, and probably get that entry around pre-New York to continue down, right? So you have to, let's pay attention now, right? So no sells unless it's beneath what's that? Oh, it's 184,688, right? So sells below here, right? So this is where you want to sell. Bam, and we're gonna have buys above 185,500. Other than that, I'm gonna chill and wait until price come to 187,500. $187,500, all right? I'm gonna chill and wait till price come to 187,500 before I look to enter another trade, right? Or if the situation that CPI kind of push it back down to here, and you know, when I check after the news, I see some form of support forming, and then we're still setting up for bullish action, like say for argument's sake 30 minutes after CPI, then I will look to continue up and probably try to get that little 1% that I need to pass these accounts, you get me? But that's the move, right? So that's the move for tomorrow. All right, wait here, wait for the pullback here, all right, because this is an impulse. You can't enter on a buy on an impulse. You have to wait on a pullback. So wait on a pullback around the 185,500 zone and look to continue up, right? So do not enter any trade, right? Pay attention, do not enter any trade in Asia or anything like that. Don't enter any trade until after CPI at pre-London. So after CPI, let it die down probably about a 15 minutes, 30 minutes, thereabout, even an hour. Wait for structure to form again, right? And then you can look to continue up, right? There's a situation that CPI push down, wait on here to break, retest, right? Form resistance, then you look to continue down, right? So stop loss will be up here, look to continue down. So why you want to wait here? So here's the previous low, so you have to wait on the previous low to break, because CPI can like push here, bounce back off of this demand and push up. So you have to wait on here to break, retest, wait on that specific action, right? So fully transparent, I'm showing you guys step by step, you know what I mean, how I'm leveling up the funded accounts that we're doing, the challenges we're doing. If and when we pass a challenge, when we fail a challenge, we're keeping it fully transparent. I want you all to witness the growth of dreycosting, right? Y'all see last year when we started putting out with us, we're working on the skill set over the years, right? I transitioned from trading my personal account, so let's just focus on the fund account, because that's going to give me more leverage for more money. So that's what I'm focusing on right now, and I'm going to take it through on passing these challenge or even failing these challenge each week and all of that. So we're just keeping it fully transparent, you get me? So you know that I passed one the other day as well, but I just took that down off YouTube because that's not a reputable company, you get me? So I just discard that, and I don't really want to pass on that information to my followers and subscribers. So I don't want to be held accountable for that. So these two companies that I'm talking about, Funded is up high reputation, but Funded Frontier, Raja Banks is associated with that. It's broker I use, and if you're going to use Funded Frontier, ensure that you select Dominion Markets, that's Raja Banks broker. Fully confidence and all the confidence in Raja Banks. You know what I mean? Raja Banks has helped me to come a far way, even my trading journey. So big up Raja Banks, you get me? So he's associated with that. So that made me have full confidence in that funded company, you get me? And so we have a lot more to do. I have TFT to purchase. I'm going to purchase TFT account sometime next week. I have a list of funded company. I'm going to do a video on that soon, of how you select reputable funded companies. I'm going to show you where exactly to go to pick them and select them and to grade them and all of that. So I'm going to show that in a video very soon. All right, so look out for that video. So until tomorrow. But before I go, remember, you saw how active I'm in the comment section. Any help you need, any question, any advice, drop your comments. I'm there to answer. All right, I'm there to answer. I'm there to help each and every trader and traders. All right, we're going to build together. All right, so don't forget that. Until tomorrow, straight balling, no stalling. And out.